stupid.
Fish or wood?
They got the wood. Yeah, help you. Hey, they got this one, got the wood too. Oh my. What a Tommy, man.
Fish on with the wood.
Fish on with the wood. What a Tommy.
This one
Oh
looks
my God, I'm
fine.
gonna put the pole.
I know. I got the pole. I got the pole. Go get the fish. Get the fish. I got the pole.
I can't. This fish is like strong.
You take your time.
Okay.
Take your time. I hold the pole. Please don't bite the other one. Check out the wood. Pull two pole. Oh.
Came off
Nice.
just in time. Wood gotta come just in time too. That's a nice one. Dad. Nice one right here, brother. Nice one, man.
Meet some brother right here. Check out his channels.
Here it is, man. Oh, action.
Shad
Oh,
on.
got action today, man. This one action today, man.
Oh.
There.
Oh. Dad getting one too.
This one's not coming up at all, man.
Sketchy.
Look at this.
Check out his channels.
Oh, I got two fish on one rod. Yeah, double. I got 2 on 1, bro. Check it out. 2 on 1. I got 2 on 1, man. This feels hella heavy, dude. Oh, man.
Take your
That's
time.
heavy, man.
Take your time.
Oh, dang. It feels so heavy. Yeah. Damn, look at that. They're just coming together, man.
Oh, look at that sexy fish. 2 fish.
Oh, damn, look at that, man. Oh, it feels so heavy, man. Oh, my arm.
Come on.
Wow. Man, it feels like a big striper, man. Hey, you got a bite, right? No? Oh, you pull? Oh, you're holding it? Whew. Dang. Might be 3, man. I got 3 bait. It might be 3, man. Oh, wow. It won't come, man. Oh.
I'm getting ready for
This
you.
is a full-on workout. I feel the burning, man. Oh. Come on, guys.
Enjoy your fight. Come on.
Oh.
See, that's 2 fish in 1 pole.
I gotta get this.
2 fish in 1 pole, guys.
I gotta
We
get
got
this.
3 feet in a row. Yeah, roll it in here.
Back up.
Oh, got 1 in. Need 1 more. One big one.
Got them both?
No, I got them both.
Oh my.
Got them both.
Look, check it out, man.
Got them both.
Woo-hoo.
It's heavy.
It's hella heavy, man. Oh. Damn. That's a workout,
Oh, yeah.
man. Oh.
Oh, 3 poundfish.
It's a big one. Oh,
3.
hold on, man. I got a big picture of them both, man. Oh, this one's not big, but he was on top, though.
Check what we found. We got a dad channels and JU's out there with a connected fishing. Hi, you guys! That's connected fishing and JU right there. Good to see you guys.
My family right here, man.
Oh yeah. fish on.
Look, they caught one.
Yeah, I know. They caught them. Fish.
Right there, fish on, baby. Shot on.
See that jump? Nice.
Shad on.
Fish on.
Shad on, man.
Shaddy on. Ooh, nice job. Oh, catch.
Oh, he's decent.
Nice. Good. Stinky fish. On, Shaddy on.
Hey, how come don't be a double? Come on, double.
Double? Triple? Happy? 2 fish? 3 fish? 1 fish? Still good.
Double would be.
1 fish is awesome too.
Ooh, this guy's a fighter. Dang, he ain't coming. Look.
Oh, he want to stay longer.
Oh, wow. Ah, my arm. My arm is tired from earlier though. Oh my.
Right there, it's hiding. It's hiding underneath. It's hiding underneath.
Oh my, look at him.
Oh, that one hungry.
Oh, dude, he does not want to come.
It's okay. Take your time.
Look, he dragged the pole in the water.
Take your time. Triple. Just kidding. Make him look.
And who look?
Make you look.
Oh, heck yeah. He does not want to come. Look at him.
Take your time. Close up look.
That's crazy.
Come on, Shaggy.
Oh my. Come on, big boy. Get your butt up here.
Big boy, a baby boy.
Oh no, he won't come though.
Can't see the fish yet. Still underneath the water.
I never seen a shad fight like this. He refused to come.
Nah, you chat about.
Oh, my arm is my arm is burned up from that double.
Let me help you.
I got it. No, but I can't force him, see? If I force him, then he'll break.
Let him out there.
I don't want to lose any more fish. We lost 3 already with a sinker. Wow.
Double, please.
Oh, wow.
This is the longest fight for
He
Shaggy.
refused to come.
Come on.
I'm doing all I can. Look, I'm holding pressure. He ain't coming.
Sean Shaggy. Oh, I see you now. A little bit.
He's about to break. He's about to break.
He's about tired. He's getting tired.
I have to tire him out.
Right there. I see it coming. Good job.
Oh, it just came
Good
off.
fight. Good fight. Good fight.
It just came off. Hold it.
That's good. Let's see your good fight fish. Long fight fish. I don't know when he picked up, when he got Shad on the pole. You got double. Hey, that's double on the net, yeah.
Oh man, so heavy. Get a bigger net.
Hey, 2 times there, double on the net.
Hey, fish on!
Fish on! Come on!
Come on, man. Same thing like you. Oh my.
Double, double, double. Oh, it's fighting me. Oh yeah, babe. Whoa, look at that fly. Mine are right next to me. What I tell you, I'm starting in. It's fighting. My fish now. Ready? Whoa.
Don't force it.
No, when he forces it, he keeps sliding in. My swing.